Come see Mama. Come see Mama. Can you say hi to Desiree? Do you love your baby sister?
Yeah, that's my baby.
Yeah, your baby sister?
Yeah, mine.
Yeah.
Do
you love her?
Is this really?
You say hi to her?
This is here. This is really here. Here.
Yeah, Desiree's there. You give Desiree a kiss? Aww. Aww, that's so cute.
A mole.
Yeah, Mama does have a mole on her belly button. Don't pick at it. I don't know if I'm showing.
I
have a mole on my belly button. Aww.
The hornet. The hornet's free.
You excited to meet Desiree when she comes out? Meet your baby sister?
No, it's here. It's race.